boy or girl egg?
Blue egg.
A boy?
It's a
What do you think you got, Sophia?
I think I got a girl.
A girl. We shall see. You gotta give it huggies.
Sounds like a girl.
The baby's hatching. You gotta keep it warm. Keep your baby warm.
I am ready to hatch.
Oh, your egg is moving. It was moving right now. Look at. Oh, it's moving. You think it's ready to hatch? Yours is moving too, Scarlett. Oh,
Open it.
it has to hatch on its own. We can't open it. You have to wait. What is it, a boy or a girl?
Open it.
It's a boy.
It's rainbow. Wait. When you see rainbow, we have the rattle. We have the rattle. Maybe because it's
It has a
super happy that
rattle.
it hatched, and it sees the whole world. And I'm very sure.
What else does it have?
No, Sophia, I see her mouth and it's opening. One is mine hatching. Sophia still hasn't hatched. Yours is a stubborn baby. It's gonna be like you. Stubborn. I'm not stubborn. Maybe if you talk to the baby, it'll hatch. You come. What is it saying to you? Can you hear it? I'm coming, Mommy. Open it, Sophia. I can't. You have to wait. Don't push. No, the baby pushes. Not you. Oh, we have the rattle. It has a bottle. It has a bottle. It's great. Oh. coming. Scarlett, here's a bottle. I'm thirsty. He's thirsty, Scarlett. Give him his bottle. There we go. Sophia's hasn't hatched yet. We have to wait till Sophia's hatches. Okay, I gotta open it. Daddy, I gotta open it. It's a rattle. It's a rattle. And a bottle. And a bottle. And a baby. And a plushie baby. Plushie baby. And a bottle. Yeah. Sophia still hasn't hatched. We're still waiting for her. Boy. Maybe he's cold. Maybe he's cold. Silly. Oh, he's crying. Oh no. He's crying. Where's your baby, Scarlett? Right there. It's okay. Maybe you have to rock him. He's sleepy. Maybe you have to rock him. Is he happy now? Is he still crying? What does that mean? I think he has rainbow eyes now. I hear it. You think it's happening now? It's hatching! It's hatching! It's hatching!
It has purple hair. What do you think it's gonna be?
It's a girl!
It's a girl?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, it's hatching. It's a girl?
Yeah, look, it has a bow. But when it's hatched, you say happy hatch day.
Happy Hatch Day. Oh, it's hatched. What do you have? A plushie
And we get a green.
and a green brush.
A rattle? Oh, hers has a blue bow and yours has a yellow bow. Oh, we have a bottle? And a banana. Of course, because monkeys eat bananas. Of course.